Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I'm super excited for this video because guess what? We're gonna do the last 2 weeks of my 100 envelope challenge. Yay! So I'm a little behind, but this is week 1224 and this is this week 1230. So what I did with my cash envelopes is I decided when I wanted to finish the challenge, and I divided those weeks up by the number, by the number of weeks I had left, and so that's how I came up with these numbers. So I just chose random envelopes to put together each week because I get paid weekly, so I knew I could stuff this much each week. So we're gonna finish up, and the total we're gonna stuff today is $1,257, and that will complete this challenge. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer the money over to my Roth IRA account. Even though I wanted $7,000 to max out my Roth IRA, I want to go ahead and put this $5,050 in the bank so it can be accumulating some interest. And then I still, shout out to Britt over at Playing Your One Life. She posted a post saying that I have until April of 2022 to fully max out my Roth IRA for 2021. Yes, and I didn't know that. So I'm going ahead and deposit the $5,000, but I still have time to save $2 more thousand. And that's what I've been doing with these challenges, the comment challenge and the like challenge. So I'll continue those till I get to the end of this, and we'll see if we have 2,000, and whatever is left, it'll go towards my mortgage. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I revealed the winners of my 100 envelope. I gave away a Disney inspired 100 envelope challenge box from Happy Budgeting Mom. She is one of the shop owners that has a shop on the For the Creators page. And I also gave away a planner from Beautifully Me and You's channel. She has like 5 different planners that's in her Amazon storefront, and I've already contacted the winners. So yeah, so stay tuned. You never know, Mrs Vee gonna give away something. I never announce in my titles when I'm doing a giveaway, because I want you to come here because you are passionate about the information that I'm sharing, not to win prizes. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. And if you need a bank teller slip, check out my website. I have these available. So I only had to pull out $1,162 out of the bank because I already had $95 on hand. That was money that was supposed to go back to the bank from me using my credit card. So what I always do is I just subtract that amount. Instead of just putting it back in the bank, I just subtract that amount from the amount that I need for the week. So that's what I did right here. So $1,162 plus 95 is $1,257. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, that is beautiful. Look at that. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to fit the rest of these in here, but we gonna see. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna do this stack first. So we're just gonna get started. So 48, 2 20s, a 5, and 3 1s. How was everyone's holiday? If you celebrate Christmas, mine was not good because I was sick. I think I was the one who had the virus and got everybody else sick, because we had like a brunch on Christmas Eve over my daughter's house, and I was already sick. I had a mask on, and everybody was like, "Why you got that mask on?" I was like, "Cause I'm sick." So I think I may have been the one who infected everybody. Yeah, cause I'm always exposed to the virus because I work at the hospital. So 49, so everybody was sick on Christmas. My daughter, her husband, my other daughter, and my husband, and my grandchildren. So unfortunately, I think I was the culprit. So 49. 50. And most people be like, well, if you knew you was sick, why you go over there? If you're gonna not go somewhere anytime you sick, if I knew I had the virus, I never did confirm whether I had the virus. But I'm just saying, if I knew I had the virus, of course I wouldn't have went. But I was just sick. I just was feeling bad. So, you know, this time of the year, you get it mixed up with a cold or the flu. So, you know, every time you feel sick, you ain't gonna assume that you got the virus. So, come on, people. Let's keep it real. So, yeah, 51. So, this is actually fun. So, you know, I know the concept of taking the money out of the bank and putting it back. It seems a little far-fetched for some people, but I'm telling you, what I was doing was not working. So it doesn't really matter to me if it makes sense, as long as it's working. So it's working for me to take this money out of the bank, put it in these envelopes, because when I put it in these envelopes, for some reason, I do not touch it, and it's because it's cash money. Now, if I leave this same amount of money in the bank, I promise you, that debit card, with that debit card, it will be gone. So all I could do is tell people, just try it. If you don't like it, just go back what you were doing previously. So evidently what you were doing previously did not work. So that's my thing. So I don't try to sit around and analyze and try to figure out why it's working. I mean, it's working. Just leave it alone. Don't make it more than what it is. It's working. It's money. Take it out of the bank, put it in your envelopes, put it back in the bank, and watch your accounts grow. Or either leave it in the bank like you've been leaving it in the bank, and watch your balances decline like mine. I mean, because I was swiping the card like it was nobody's business. But I know one thing, I'm finna have to stop this video and go get my fan because I'm hot. So 31, we're gonna do 31, and then I'm gonna pause this. Oh, this one came loose. I'm gonna have to put some tape on there. We're gonna take this baby up. I'm gonna put some tape on here and get my fan, and I'll be back. Got my fan, people. Miss V having a little personal summer over here in the middle of January. Woo. Alright, let's take this up. Take the size of this up, because I will be using these envelopes, however you say it, again this year. It was fun. Okay. 31. So we're gonna do 32. But yeah, like I was saying, just try it. But if not, you know, do whatever makes you happy. Alright, we're gonna do 20 for these 80s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 87. So yeah, I should have been funding our IRA, but like I shared with you in the video, I made a bunch of mistakes. It's never too late to get it right. As long as you're breathing, as long as God allows you to breathe, you can get it right. No matter when you do it in life. $90. We're gonna do 63. Let me see. Did I do a 50, a 10, and 3? I'm gonna try that. I might mess my money up, like always. I want to give a shout out to Kathy's Cash and Coin. She just completed her 100 envelope challenge, and she has enough money to cash flow a trip that her and her daughters are taking to Harry Potter World, and I think that's great. I love seeing it. Yeah. So 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So everybody doing something different with their money. I'm trying to get ready for retirement, and other people are buying homes. So everybody doing something different. That's what I love about the community, because everybody's journey is different. Don't compare your journey to somebody else's, because comparison, baby, that's gonna steal your joy. Do not compare, because you got to think about it. Some of these people live at home. They don't pay bills. Some of them are college students. So don't compare yours. And then some people like myself, I'm already out of debt. So you know, I don't have a lot of consumer debt. So Don't compare yours to mine, because I have more money available because I've already paid off all of my consumer debt. That's not to say my journey is better than anybody's. I'm just saying it's different. So that's $79. So don't compare. And then too, you never know what these people do when they turn this camera off. So you know, I'm just saying, do not compare. Find some people to inspire you. Having some inspiration and comparing is totally different. But when it's your time, your time is gonna come. You got all kind of budgeters in the community. You got college students, you got couples, you got people who are married and only one person in the marriage is wanting to budget. You got single moms, you got single fathers, you got males, single males, budgeting. You got all kind of people. 2, 3. Yeah, I was gonna make some of these and give one away, but these are too time consuming. So kudos out to anyone who makes these 100 envelopes. It's not worth it to me. But I may do it for you guys if I get the energy one day. 83. So we're gonna do 20, 40, 60, 80, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one trying to come loose too. Let me go ahead and reinforce it with a little tape. 84. We got a lot of 80s here. 20. Seems like I just did 84. I think I did. I might have put the wrong amount in there. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was 3. 83. This one needs reinforcing too. Put a little tape on there. Okay, let's do 84. 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. $85, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5. So one of my coworkers, she was like, I want to start saving more money. And then I was like, okay. So do you budget? She said, yeah, I budget. I just want to save more money. I said, well, just make some adjustments to your budget. See what you can cut out. That's what I do. I do that before I go get another job. First, I go to the easiest way. Cut out something first, opposed to get another job. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86. Because you'll be amazed at how much money you free up by changing some of your habits. And when we first started budgeting, babe, when I cut that DirecTV out and just got a Fire Stick, we saved, like $60, $70 a month. Then when I changed over my life insurance, I had life insurance on everybody. And I dropped it down to just enough to bear them. Cause you don't, well, I don't plan on getting rich off somebody dying. So I did that. And it freed up a lot of money to get me started. So we're gonna do 43, 2 20s, 1, 2, 3. All right, 71 and 69. 50, 71. Yay! Look like I might have all my money this time. That's 71. And this is 69, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Yay! Look at you, Miss V. Hey, you didn't mess up your money this time. So I have completed the 100 envelope challenge. I did this in 60 days. I started November the 1st. I do better when my back is against the wall. So as you notice, all of my challenges, like the bigger challenges, I do those fast. I'm not gonna be able to function if I just do this for the whole year. I lose interest after a certain amount of time. So, and plus I always do, ooh, this won't even fit in here. I'm always doing my challenges for something in particular. I'm not doing my challenges just to have money saved. So that's why I'm able to do them so fast. So these will not fit in this container. So you just come on back for my next video. We're gonna unstuff these babies and put this money in my Roth IRA so it can start accumulating some compound interest. So that's gonna conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.